go forward in the retail sector in the times to come. The quarter-wise position with regarding the operating profit indicates a robust increase of 46.19%, and the figure is 1384 crores achieved, and corresponding to that, operating profit for the full year is 12.59%. Our operating efficiency is indicated by the fact that the business is increased by 9.20, but operating profit is increased by 12.59. So, this is the figure with regard to the total income, interest income and non-interest income, and as sir has informed, NIM is at 2.78%, which is sequentially only marginally reduced. The book value with the increase in the profit is 420.49, and the provision coverage has improved sequentially to 60.15. This is the business figure already informed. This is the CASA figure already informed. This is the breakup of total income as earlier informed. This is increase on account of interest income is 8.08, and increase in non-interest income is 63.42%. On the interest expended side, I have reduced the cost of deposit has come down, and as a result of which my interest paid has increased by only 8.18% as against the total deposit growth of 10%. This is the position of the operating profit as earlier informed. This is the non-interest income has jumped by 63.42. The operating profit growth 46.19% as earlier informed, and the net profit is at 310.32 as against 307.94. This increase in taxation is on account of the new regulation with regard to section 36, and because of my increase in operating profit.